Do you want the perfect Instagram bio? So you've been searching for cool Instagram bio ideas? If so, you've come to the right place because I will be covering how to write a professional Instagram bio ideas for business, and an entrepreneur Instagram bio. So if you want to learn how to write killer Instagram bios, stay tuned because this video is for you. Let's dive in. My name is Milena Gakesa and I'm the author of the book, The Art of Soft Selling, and I help small service-based business owners grow their followings online and get new leads and customers through the newest and latest online marketing strategies. If you're interested in learning how to grow your small business, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you never miss a future video. And I release new videos every week, so you don't want to miss a thing, and it's free. Here are the top Instagram bio tips. Tip number one for an entrepreneur Instagram bio is the name section. So oftentimes people will use their own name, so their first and last name. Now, if you are your brand, that is a great idea and strategy. However, if you have a business name, you likely want to put your business name in that section because when people are searching for you on Instagram, they'll likely type in your business name unless you've told them otherwise. Also, another thing that you want to put beside your name is what it is that you do. So for example, if you are a photographer, you can put that. So again, if you don't have a studio name, you can put your first and last name and put photographer or realtor or fitness instructor, whatever it is, something that if people are specifically searching for that type of business, you want that to be in your name so that it is fully optimized. Tip number two for what to put in your Instagram bio is your picture. So make sure that it is a very nice picture of yourself, that it is friendly, where you look very appealing. It is a close-up of your face. Oftentimes people do like to put their logo in here. But a lot of times on especially social media, people want to connect with a human. So I do recommend that you put a friendly, smiling, close-up picture of your face. And another tip is that whatever other social media platforms you have, that you use the exact same picture for consistency, because oftentimes when people don't know you too well, they don't know what you actually look like. So if you're using different pictures with different filters and things like that, they may not know that it's you. So always use the exact same picture. Tip number three for Instagram bio ideas for beginners is use emojis. They are fun, they kind of add a little bit of personality to your profile, and also they really help separate the points. Now, make sure that you are using appropriate emojis because sometimes people are like, what is that? And I've seen that before, so definitely be careful what you're using, and also make sure that you know what they mean. And a way to know what each emoji means is if you actually go to Emoji Keyboard on your desktop, you can actually just hover over it and it'll tell you what each symbol is, so that way you know for sure. But some of the safe emojis to use are things like arrows or check marks or the fire symbol. Those are always great ones to use, and you can use different ones within the bio, or you can use the same one consistently. Tip number four for Instagram bios that attract followers is make sure to introduce yourself. So you want to say who you are and who you help, especially when you're a business. So for example, on my Instagram bio, I say that I'm an online marketing coach for small service-based business owners. That way, when there's a small service-based business owner looking for marketing strategies, ideas, and tips, they know that they should likely follow me. And oftentimes people will even look at your bio and they scan over your actual feeds, but the bio is really what stands out. So you want to make sure that they know that they should follow you should they come across you. Tip number five for Instagram bio ideas is have a strategic call to action in your bio. So you'll see a section that usually in the Instagram bio, when you're filling it out, it'll say website. Now, you don't have to put your website in there. You can if you want, but there are so many other ways that you can actually use that to help nurture your leads. So for example, if you have a freebie, some kind of blueprint or tips or something that people can download on an opt-in page, I would say that that is probably the most ideal thing to put in that section of your Instagram bio. And above it, you'll just say, click here to get my latest strategies on XYZ, and you can have 2 arrows pointing down so that they know to click on that bio link. Now, the other thing is, if you're looking to grow another channel that is not Instagram, you can actually lead them to that channel. So for example, if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel, you can say, see my latest videos here. And again, put those arrows down. Or even if you're looking to promote a specific video, you can say what that video is and click the link here. Because the thing is, on Instagram, you can't just put a lot of links everywhere because Instagram really wants people to stay on their platform. Now, there is a hack for this when you're using IGTV, which I'll talk about in another video. But in general, you do want to optimize that one link that you have. So the website is an option, but probably the third option if you don't have another channel you want to promote, or if you don't have a freebie right now. If you have a question about what to put in your bio, or you need some ideas or feedback, please put a comment in the comments below because I always answer my comments and I love hearing from you guys. All right, so let's recap. So what we talked about in tip number 1 is use the name section strategically. Make sure that you either put your first and last name and what you do, who you are, photographer, realtor, etc., or you actually put your business name if you think that's what people are going to be searching for. Tip number 2 is have a friendly picture that really stands out and make sure that you are using the same picture across all of your social media channels. Tip number 3 is use emojis to add a little bit of personality and help things kind of separate and stand out. Tip number 4 is introduce yourself, say what you do and who you do it for to encourage people to actually follow you if they are your target audience. And finally, tip number 5 is use a strategic call to action in the section in your bio where you can list your website. So again, you can list your website, promoting another channel, or your lead magnet. If you like this video and you found it helpful, please give me a thumbs up and also make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button because I will give you a lot more videos on how to grow your business online. And also make sure you check out some other videos to help grow your business online right here. All right, guys, until next time, bye for now.